been there. When your kid comes to you and says, "Daddy, I'm bored," you take out the boat for a little fun, and it just doesn't go as planned.
No water on the windows? Attaboy.
Can you do it the same way, please?
Yeah, right. We'll see about that.
Yeah, we should do that the same way.
Yeah,
Look at
please,
this,
Dad.
dude.
He's just, look at the rollers. Oh, yeah.
Hold on, step Sawyer.
You guys sit down. Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You're okay. You're alright. Okay. It's okay. It's okay, honey. You're okay.
Did it get wet?
It's okay, Sawyer.
Where were you at?
Right over the tombstone.
Where did the water come in at? I thought the windows were closed. Did they blow the window out?
Oh, yeah, it did.
Your window?
Hashtag blow your window out.